Our Scanpod range offers maximum choice and versatility for installing all leading brands of marine electronics and instruments. Manufactured for both sail and powerboat installations, the range offers slim-line contemporary styling which suits modern screen ratios. Our pods are vacuum formed from UV-stable acrylic-capped ABS, and our sealing system is manufactured from a high-strength silicone which has excellent resistance to heat, so you can have confidence that your pod won't deteriorate over time. Select your chosen electronics on our interactive buyer's guide at scanstrut.com and see which of the following options best suits your installation. The Helm pod is perfect choice for all cockpit configurations. The saddle system supports the stainless tubing, enabling a secure and rigid fit onto any pedestal, and also ensures a watertight cable entry. Customized U-bolts fit around the rail and through the saddles into the rear of the pod, and our fixings fit from back to front, which allows for a quick and safe install and repeat servicing. Solve the challenge of finding a level mounting surface to install your display onto your powerboat, rib or sailboat wheelhouse. Featuring a swivel and tilt base which allows for adjustment to the screen's angle and direction. Simply release the lever, swivel and tilt to suit your requirements before locking back into position. Our deck pod can also be mounted overhead, perfect for keeping your screen in the optimum position. Sailboat designs often have very open cockpits with few options for installing retrofit instruments. The rail pod gives you an option for fitting smaller displays and instruments directly onto a rail, in a position which suits you. The viewing angle can be set upon installation, and cables are routed internally through the clamp and into the rail. Also available as a Scanstrut flex mount system. Extend the rail pod away from narrow or crowded rails for better viewing. Designed to ensure the pod is always positioned for best viewing whatever the angle of the rail. Whether racing or cruising, our mast pods give you the best view of your instruments, featuring additional internal cross bracing which provides stiffness, preventing sideways movement. As standard, you will receive your scan pod uncut. However, we also offer a CNC cutting service. Just let us know which brand and model you would like your chosen pod cut for. To find out more about our Scanpod range, visit scanstrut.com.